SolidWorks and Fusion 360 are powerful CAD platforms, but they serve different users. SolidWorks is an industry staple for mechanical and product design. It offers advanced parametric modeling, large assembly management, simulation, and detailed engineering drawings. It's ideal for manufacturing workflows and large-scale engineering teams. Fusion 360 by Autodesk combines CAD, CAM, and K in a single cloud-based platform. It's more accessible and user-friendly with built-in tools for simulation, rendering, and even CNC toolpath generation. While it lacks some of SolidWorks' industrial-scale features, Fusion excels in collaboration, affordability, and versatility, especially for startups, educators, and hobbyists. If you're in a corporate design team, SolidWorks is hard to beat. For agile, cloud-based modeling and prototyping, Fusion 360 is the modern choice.